seeing a lot of crypto commercials, aren't you? Well, let's start with the basics. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency outside of the control of a central authority. That means it's not controlled by Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, and especially not the US Gov. But how? Well, Bitcoin utilizes this sexy new technology called BlockChain, which allows transactions to be validated by Bitcoin's users. It's also decentralized. This technology is also revolutionary because for the first time we're able to prove digital scarcity, meaning you just can't go creating Bitcoin out of thin air. It takes money and it takes electricity. Bitcoin is hard-coded to only have 21 million in existence, meaning you can't just copy and paste Bitcoin because the network would recognize it as fraudulent and reject it. Over the past decade, Bitcoin has had a meteoric rise in value because people are starting to realize that when you print unlimited money, it weakens the value of the dollar, and things that are scarce, like Bitcoin, begin to increase in value. So one Bitcoin will always be worth one Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin's price goes up, think of the value of the dollar actually going down. So what exactly can you do with Bitcoin? Well, think of Bitcoin like digital gold. You don't really go out and spin gold at Target. You just buy it and it appreciates. And it's going to continue to appreciate the more people realize the importance of its scarcity. People also find it valuable because it is a currency outside of any government system. And unlike gold, it's weightless and it's easy to transfer sending an email. And I don't know if you've noticed, but society is growing increasingly more digital. And more people are beginning to value economic energy in its digital form. Bitcoin is the perfect monetary system because it can't be controlled by any government, company, or person. It's self-regulating and its structure makes it so that it can't be hacked and fraudulent transactions can't happen. If you want to learn more about this revolutionary technology, go ahead and follow me and I'll hold your hand and guide you into the future.